Now we're moving on to the shooting portion here. We're going to start with 55 grain 223 pressure and kind of move up through the grain weights, then move on to 556 pressure from 55 on up. We're actually a little short on what mags we brought to the range right now, so we decided to do all the ASIM ammo separately after we get done with this. We'll start out. The first AR we're shooting right now is a Rock River Arms pistol. It has I believe a 7-inch Model 1 sales barrel on it with a 1 in 9 twist. And, we're going to start with the PMC 55 grain 223. And we're using our new Cronny brand chronograph here. Let's see what kind of velocity we get out of this one here. A little hard to shoot it in a rifle vise when it's a pistol. Looks like 2209. That was 2209. 3. That was 2105.
And for the rest of the video, we'll just fast forward and I'll do some narration of what we did that day at the range and then what we plan to do with the results that we collected. So we spent the entire day at the range. This was our first attempt at doing an in-depth comparison of some different types of ammunition. So we collected up as many types of 223 and 556 that we could get our hands on. We brought them out to the range. We had 4 different rifles and a pistol. That 7.5-inch pistol, the 10.5-inch BCM, 2 14.5-inch rifles. One was a Bushmaster, one was a Noveske, and they had different types of rifling in the barrel. And then we had a 16-inch for our longer comparison. Then we wanted to shoot both accuracy and velocity. However, we decided to just go with velocity, just the amount of time we had in the day. It was just we bit off a little more than we could chew, but that's fine. We'll stay tuned for some accuracy comparisons in the future. So we probably spent about 3 hours filming. We have at least more than an hour's worth of actual video, and we're just going to show a portion of it here as we speed through how we went through it. We basically took a type of ammunition. We loaded up a magazine with enough rounds, 20 rounds or so, and then shot through the chronograph with the 5 different barrel lengths, the 7.5, 10.5, 14s, and 16. And we wrote all that information down, and of course we've got lots of numbers to describe the various results. So we're going to post some of that in videos. I imagine it's going to be fairly boring. However, we'll post a lot of the charts and numbers over on our websites for people that are interested. This was a real eye-opener for us. Like I said, this is our first attempt at an in-depth ammo review, and we learned a lot. We're going to probably use fewer brands or types of ammunition in the future, but it was definitely interesting, and we expect that this will be something that we'll be doing on a more regular basis. So if you're interested in the results, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.